Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel MotoFit. This is your friend Aniket. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's day is again same. A lot of monsoony day. पता नहीं थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है. कैमरा के लेंस पे शायद से बूंदाबांदी दिख रही होगी या नहीं दिख रही होगी, पता नहीं. So today I am trying an experiment with my camera. So I have done few manual settings and using an ND filter. ND filter is the right word. Let's see how the output comes. I just wanted to check out because I have seen many of the creators taking many nice cinematic videos as well as good motion blur moto vlogging as well. So I thought let's try. So I have ordered these ND filters and a week ago I guess they have came, but I was learning the things from many of the people, from my friends and from my not from my friends, basically they are very good friends of mine. They help me in each and every situation, so I'm learning things from them as well as few things I have seen on YouTube. So ये सबको मिला के I'm doing something mixture of it. Let's see how it comes. So basically now today in Pune there will be many places where there must be dahi handi and बहुत सारा मज़ा करते हैं यहाँ पे लोग, बहुत सारी मस्ती करते हैं, डीजे लगता है बहुत सारी जगह पे. या वी आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय दैट इन द इवनिंग. आते आते ही मतलब ऐसे प्रॉपरली स्पेसिफिकली आई विल नॉट गो एंड एंजॉय दैट. हाँ, बट अगर कहीं मिल गया मौका तो वो भी कर लेंगे. बट मेजरली आई एम गोइंग टू शो दैट इफ पॉसिबल आई एम गोइंग टू वेट because today my logout is going to be at 8 o'clock and the ND starts around that time only, 7 or 8, something around that. I guess someone slipped over here. Hopefully he did not got hurt. Yeah, because this small drizzling, what happens if you'll check on the floor, not on the floor, on the road, a lot of muck gathers together and becomes very slippery, especially for scooties and any of the vehicle which is having small tires. Uncle, you can use your indicator, buddy. No worries, it's okay. But at least he directed me that I'm going to take right. That's nice. जय गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया. I don't know why, but whenever this type of weather is there, I'm not on my 100% mood. I'm not 100% energetic. I feel a bit lazy on these days. And bro, what are you doing, man? No indication, nothing, just came in front of me. So where I was, so yes, so I was saying that on these type of days now, on cloudy days, I feel a bit lazy, just take a bit more sleep, and that's the only reason on these days I usually get late for office also, which is a bad thing, very very bad thing. Oh, this was dangerous. क्यों भाई, क्यों हॉर्न क्यों बजा रहे हो? क्या मिल रहा है आपको हॉर्न बजा के भाई? that guy is seeing that कि हाँ भाई बस है आगे, बस बोल रहा हूँ, स्कूटी है आगे, वो बंदा यू टर्न मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है इन द मिडल ऑफ नो वेयर. स्टिल हॉर्न मत बजाओ यार, वो चला जाएगा साइड में, देन वी कैन गो. I'm just hoping the video is coming a bit clear because आपको राइड करते समय कुछ इतना पता नहीं चलता ना. When you are at the desk to edit the video, at that time only you'll get to know. Okay. This feels so nice यार. Today the weather is very good. मतलब कितना दोगलापन यार. मैं थोड़ी देर पहले कंप्लेन कर रहा था कि ये वेदर के वजह से आई फील लेजीनेस, बट अभी आई एम लाइक, बट ऐसे वेदर में ना राइड करने का अपना अलग ही एक मज़ा है. पता है जो ठंडी ठंडी हवा लगती है ना, वाह, नेक्स्ट लेवल. रियली फील्स नाइस. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई, लाइक I am very get happy in very small things. So I don't expect to go on a very long rides and all everything. Just ऐसे ही ऑफिस कम्यूट की भी अगर राइड हो रही है तो आई बी हैप्पी यार. काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, मतलब इट फील्स गुड. ओह दैट फील्स रिस्की. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, लाइक आई नो आई एम लो इन फ्यूल. मतलब आप अगर डिस्प्ले पे वो दिखा रहे हो, बट ये ऐसे जो इधर ऑरेंज कलर का सिंबल है, ये क्यों आ जाता है वहाँ पे, पता नहीं. whenever I am low in fuel. इट्स ओके. शाम में फ्यूल अप करते हैं. अभी तो अपने पास टाइम नहीं है. नाउ वी हैव टू रीच ऑफिस एज सून एज पॉसिबल. टुडे इफ यूल सी, लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा कम ट्रैफिक है. लाइक ऑलमोस्ट नहीं है ट्रैफिक. एंड मेरे ऑफिस के राइट साइड में ही बहुत बड़ा दही हंडी का इवेंट होता है. वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा दही हंडी का. इवन वी विल सी दैट टुडे. देखते हैं. लाइक आई विल नॉट प्रॉमिस. आई विल सी द कंडीशंस. ओ डॉगेश भाइयों में लड़ाई, लफड़ा हो गया. लफड़ा हो गया. So wide open roads. Nice. Yeah. The rain is increasing slowly. God, just 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes so that I can just reach office. Then no worries. Whoa. देखा, no indicator, nothing. He is directly taking towards right. God, please bear me for 5 minutes. Let me reach office. Then no worries. Then you can just pour on the rain how much ever you want. I'll be, because the thing, like whenever, if you are going anywhere and it's raining, and rather you are having a rain liner or not, but still some of the part gets wet and it feels really bad, man. It is like, what is this? ओह भाई साहब, इतना डेंजर. हाथों का इस्तेमाल, कलाइयों का बेहतरीन उपयोग. अरे भाई, करना क्या चाहते हो? उसके वजह से मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो गया. His braking is going. ओ भाई साहब, क्या करना चाहते थे? God knows and he only knows. See over here on the left side, the Yandi is planned today evening, I guess. Yeah, today evening only. Whoa. and they really plan a very nice and big event every year. I've seen it. See, everywhere that Sharpie lighting, speakers, both the side. They really plan really nicely. Yeah, like थोड़ा बहुत तो नॉइस पोल्यूशन होता है, बट ये भी है यार कि लाइक देखो ना, लाइक कल्चर है, इट्स एन इंडियन कल्चर एंड फेस्टिवल्स, it is not every day, man. It is specific days, so at least on a day we should enjoy it. बिकॉज सी ऑफिस आना जाना ये तो डेली करना है आपने, आपके डेली हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स वो भी डेली करना है. फेस्टिवल्स यू शुड एंजॉय मैन, बिकॉज ये समय कभी कभी आता है. हेलो गाइस, सो यस, log out is done. It's almost 8:30. It's 8:28 right now. So good evening to all my friends. Just done with my office works. अभी just log out हुआ है. अभी हम जा रहे हैं फॉरेस्ट रोड की तरफ. I'll be going towards forest road and most probably I'll be going near Shell petrol pump to refill the fuel. खराड़ी वाला. मोस्टली तो लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है कि ड्यू टू गोकुल अष्टमी द रोड्स विल बी ओपन वाइड. But yeah, in some place there will be a lot of traffic, and I am just hoping that Kharadi should not have any of the traffic. अगर ट्रैफिक रही तो फिर लग गए. वो एक बार सोच रहा हूँ साइड में रुक के एक बार देख लेता हूँ ट्रैफिक है या नहीं है वहाँ, और फिर जाता हूँ. सो इट सीम्स लाइक जो खराड़ी वाला जो रोड है, जो बाईपास की इधर का रोड है, वो क्लोज दिखा रहा है. बट फिर भी देखते हैं जाके एक बार वो क्लोज है या क्या सीन है उसका. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक लगी मुझे दूर से कि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है, like if there's too much traffic, then I'll come return. I'll not go from that route. Then फिर I'll fuel it up next day only. Let's see, थोड़ा बहुत चेक करते हैं ट्रैफिक है या नहीं है. By the way, today is like in evening the weather has become pretty pleasant. It is not too cold, not too hot, very nice weather. It's windy also. Oh. So like I used to previously work near here only. So towards left side my office was there. So all the snack shops over there, I used to come over there during my tea breaks, during my snack break. That office was really nice. As though only one thing, like any of the person is leaving any of the previous office just for one thing, just for a financial growth and growth in his career, like good position and all, that's it. Otherwise none of the person would leave his previous job. रोड शायद से सही में क्लोज है. अगर क्लोज लगा मुझे तो मैं यहाँ से यू टर्न मार दूँगा, बिकॉज इट सीम्स इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ब्लॉक्ड. No, yeah, it is like it's showing that it is open. I don't know, like let's check. I should travel a bit ahead. I'll just travel a bit ahead and I'll just check if it is, yeah, if it is closed. If there is too much traffic, then I'll return back. हाँ, वैसे भी like if I'll just reach till that petrol pump also now, I'll come back. I'll not go from the forest road, then I'll go directly from here, this road only. Just that's the only thing I am checking. और रंगा ज्वेलर्स क्या सही लग रहा है, जैसे फुल लिट अप में है. ट्रैफिक तो नहीं लग रही, सिग्नल भी ग्रीन है. चलो चलते हैं. So on the left side the Shell petrol pump is. just go and fuel up and I'll just check if there's traffic on the forest road or not. भाई साहब ये तो पूरा क्लोज करके रख दिया है बस ने, अंदर जाने के लिए जगह ही नहीं है. चलो गाइस, I'll just fuel up and I'll meet you within a minute. Alright, so the fueling is done. अभी यहाँ से चलते हैं घर की तरफ. Let's go home. अरे भाई साहब, अरे भाई साहब, अरे भैया रॉन्ग साइड से क्यों आ रहे हो आप? लेट्स गो. अरे वाह, कितने अच्छे गणपति की मूर्तियाँ हैं. जय. अरे ये क्या आवाज़ थी? What was that noise? It was very dangerous. मुझे जगह मिलेगी थोड़ी सी प्लीज़. थैंक यू सो मच. Let's go. In the map, I don't know why this road was showing closed. It is wide open, and even I checked twice. I thought that there is something glitch. I checked twice, but it is completely open, man. Many people are going. I made a good decision to not believe on Google Maps and come over here. Like that is the best thing I have done. Sorry, पीछे बैग है. Otherwise it would have been like unnecessarily a big round for me. Alright, let's on our rock slides. Ah, nice. You can see the amount of spread these slides are giving me. And I really love to go on this road. I don't know why, but yeah, forest road is really nice. At the same moment, in some terms, this is not that safe also during nights. But yeah, like it is manageable. So I often come on these roads because I have to enjoy my ride, man. Because like it's been. So if you guys must be knowing, like I work for a retail company in a retail based. My job is basically a retail based job. So in retail you get very less holidays or leaves, we can say. So I don't get chance to ride, man. So this is the only thing, office commutes, daily short rides, this is the only thing which I can enjoy, man. That's the only reason whenever I am on my bike I enjoy each and every moment. So भले ही थोड़ा सा ऐसे दूर से जाना पड़े, थोड़े किलोमीटर्स बढ़ जाए, but yeah, I go from that route which gives me fun. Like see, not that type of twisties, but at least you get some amount of twisties over here, so that you can lean your bike a bit and then you can enjoy the ride. See? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm really enjoying it, man. By the way, guys, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Do like video and do share your opinions in comments. Whatever you want to share with me, if you want to talk to me, you can definitely share or comment down below, so that even there will be a good interaction between you guys and me. Seriously, man, why you're spitting on the road, man? Why? I don't know, but I feel like on the main roads there are a lot of potholes and like bumps, and the road is bit not that good. But over here, if you'll check, the potholes are really less. Oh, potholes are really less, really. See, one more. जैसे ही पॉटहोल के बारे में बात किया वैसे ही सामने आ गया. इट्स डेंजरस रे बाबा. Never be too quick to judge, hence proved. Wow. Whoa. Really, it feels really nice. Whoa. Ah. Yeah, because of this car only, I was not able to check out that pothole because it was in the middle of that car. That's the only reason, like, I have to jump over it. I hope it is going to rain. I'm not hoping, like, I think it is going to rain because few drops are coming. Yeah, why the flash was on, man? No, I don't want flash. Arre, I want a normal light, man. I don't want to turn on the flash. I just want a normal light, man. Come on. Oh. A speed breaker can lead you from 40 to directly 0. This type of speed breakers are over here. And I think so due to the speed breakers, due to these potholes only, our cone sets get damaged quickly, and now and then we have to replace it. Like, it's God's grace that till now, like, I have owned R15 and I have owned this one 200. I would have, like, not felt to change the cone set because they were not damaged, because I ride really carefully and try to dodge these potholes and speed breakers as well. If there is a speed breaker, I slow down, I take my bike very calmly. Road are the main problem of this area, that's it. Otherwise everything is so nice here. This area is so nice, the people are good, the market is good, everything you get very easily over here. The living is very convenient, just road. And because of the bad roads only, it leads to traffic. By the way, there are two important things which I have to do. I have to check Ganpati Murti for my house as well. वो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली मैं कल कर लूँगा, as tomorrow is Sunday. And even there are few things which I need to bring for the decoration. Oh, small Dayandi, nice. So usually, like, मैं हर साल गणपति बप्पा की मूर्ति, यहाँ पे एक लेफ्ट साइड में शॉप है शिवांश आर्ट, वहाँ से लेता हूँ बिकॉज या इट्स रियली नाइस. ये रहा, दिस इज़ द शॉप. The movies are very beautiful over there. Very, very beautiful. Oh. And I hope you I hope you liked my last video. Last video I recorded in but evening time. The sky was really beautiful at that time, yaar. Seriously, like, I was enjoying that sky, man. Seriously, it was looking so pretty. I was like, यार क्या ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है वो. यहाँ बारिश थोड़ी सी फुल फ्लैश अभी स्टार्ट हो गई है, ऐसा लग रहा है क्या हो ही रहा है. लाइक बूंदाबांदी स्टार्ट हो गई है थोड़ी सी. I have to rush towards my home. And yeah, do let me know how is the video qualities for today, because like yeah, I have changed few settings. I have changed the few. I have tried few things. I've learned from bit from YouTube and bit from one of my friend. So just let me know. Like, even I have for the morning shots, I have even used a ND filter to check out like how is the video, what is the लाइक हाउ वी कैन डू मोशन ब्लर एंड ऑल. अभी मतलब उतना स्पीड तो नहीं था कि प्रॉपर मोशन ब्लर दिखे आप लोगों को, बट आई हैव ट्राइड माई बेस्ट, होपिंग दैट यू विल लाइक इट. So yeah, we will keep this video till here only. Like again, this video was like just a normal daily commute, daily observation video. So yes, meet you in the next video, guys. Until then, ride safe, take care, and enjoy your life.